Hey guys, Alnisa Sharif here, back with another video. And today I'm going to talk about this new money program called Whole Lotta Cash. Now, I'm excited about this program because here are the details. So, these are the 4 levels that this program has. And I like the concept of the flyer. It's all about who's on the face of each of these bills. You know, you got Hamiltons, Jacksons, Grants, Benjamins, and so each one across the top you'll see, that person's, the president's face. I mean, but you have some people on the bills who were not presidents. So, anywho, how to join? Well, you pay the amount on each flyer to buy into that level. For example, to join the Hamilton's flyer, which is the $50 flyer, you pay $40 to box 1 and $10 to box 2, who is the admin. So buying in at a higher level does not include a lower level. So you must purchase each flyer if you wish to have your name added to it. So this is a low ticket to high ticket program. So the lowest payout would be $40 and the highest payout would be $400. So once you send your payment to both people, the admin will confirm payment and then customize your flyer and then send it to you. So now here's the preview of one of the flyers. This is the Whole Lotta Grants, and as you can see here, box 1 is where your name would go. So where it says, your name could be here collecting an easy $200 payments over and over. So it's very simple. So you don't have to compete with other people, on your flyer. It's just you and the admin. All right, so why is this flyer so powerful? Because your name goes into box 1, and then, like I said, there's no competition with other people on a flyer. There's a faster turnaround for money to get to you, because generally people might want to send it, through regular mail or priority mail. And there's no confirming multiple payments with 3 or 4 people who are also on the flyer with you. And we never want to forget, because you have to have an active admin, so that as soon as he receives the money, he can get he can get your flyer to you as soon as possible. Now, he can email them to you, send them via, Facebook Messenger, or just do regular snail mail. Now, there is a way to get your flyers a lot quicker than mailing your payments in. I actually accept, Cash App and Zelle. So if you would like to send your payment that way, you can. But normally I do this when people contact me via text or from Facebook. So that's how I deal with, requests from the social media platforms. So why join with me? Well, I have access to active and fresh mailing leads, and these are the same ones that I use, so this is a hot market, specifically for those who are looking for, home-based businesses, cash opportunities, what they call chain letters, because this is exactly what this is. This type of letter is called a chain letter, and it allows people, like you're usually paying for some type of information, and with this you're paying for a flyer. So I also have secrets to get discounted postage, because you don't have to keep going to the post office. Cheap websites for ordering, color and black and white copies. I mean, they're phenomenal. I don't even understand how they can charge the rates that they do, but their copies look spectacular, and they don't look like somebody tried to make a copy of a bad copy. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. They're really good. And I also know where to get cheap mailing supplies, envelopes, etc. Where to get cheap flyers, postcards, any of those paper items that you would need to get this offer in front of other people. And we also have a Facebook group. Actually, we have 2 of them. which provides support and training, so that you're not just trying to figure out, like, do I include a cover letter or not? Should I put one offer in, or should I put several offers in as I'm mailing them out? So, we help to answer all those questions for you, so that you're not just out there trying to figure it out on your own. And that's what people need. They need support once they start a business, because a lot of people get stuck like that, and then they go on to something else, and that's not what you want. You want retention. You want to be able to keep people, bring them in, and have them work the business, so that they can fatten their pockets. We're in a real tough economy, and we've been in this for a while now, but mail order is still $1 billion business. How is that, right? And you have to look at it, that it has been able to maintain its stamina, even though you have all of this stuff going on in the background. People, losing their jobs, or people are underpaid, underworked or underemployed. So with this provides that opportunity to help so many people, to make income from home, or you can have it as a side hustle. So those are all the details on this video. If you have any questions, here's my information. This is how you request your flyer. Like I said, you can call me, or you can text me, or you can email me, whichever you prefer. But let me know, if you would like to, get your flyer, and if you want to get, your flyers as soon as possible, instead of waiting, for your payment to come in, because like I said, we're still dealing with snail mail here, and that's going to take a long time. So text me, and I'll get right back to you, and I'll walk you through the steps of, like I said, sending me either through Cash App or Zelle, so I can get those flyers to you within 24 hours. Okay? And I hope I was able to add some value. And, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you later.